Three, two, one. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It is always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe. This is Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. We don't need 10,000 indicators to make us look smart. We don't need all these fancy terms. We don't need all that stuff to look smart. We don't want to look smart. We want to be profitable, period. It's not about looking smart. It's about being profitable. And that's what we do here. We show you how to win trades. Now, do we lose? Yes, of course. Of course we lose. Is it our fault because of our setup or because of what we've learned? No, it's the market. It is the market. When the market's great, seize the opportunity. When it's not great, either be on the sidelines, learn some more, or practice with very little money. Just knowing that the market's not great. Very important, guys. I have a lot of videos, guys. I have a lot of videos. And those that are in the VIP, they know about all the videos because I'm always talking about them. These videos will change the way you trade. But if you're not in the VIP and you want to learn this stuff, learn it. It's on my channel. Like literally all these videos that I have will show you how to trade. I want to say for those that aren't in the group, and no, I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna be good today. Man, I did some ranting. What was it? Day before yesterday? But I have had some feedback on it, and very surprising. It was positive feedback. I was not expecting that. Was not expecting that, not one bit. Anyway, so here we go. We got PopCat. This is a meme coin on the Solana network. It's a cat meme. It's up 18.5%. Very nice. We have OP up. We have Brett. Look at this, guys. Meme coin, 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 meme coin. But the top big ones, meme. Do you see a trend? Do you see anything stick out to you? Memes are moving. Memes are moving. Now, is it too late to get into a meme? I don't know. Gotta look at the chart. So speaking about that, if you do have a chart you want me to do, make sure to put it in the chat. I did get a special request. Now, I get a lot of people from, of course, overseas, around the world. And by the time 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it's, 2 a.m. their time, or, for whatever reason, they can't watch it because of the time zones or what have you. And they send me a request, and we're going to get to that in just a moment. But we're going to be looking at those as well. So just to let you know, it doesn't matter what time zone you're in, where you are in the world, I will help you, period. So with that being said, let's go. Let's go. All right. So here we go. Let's see here. This is, whoops. Whoa. This is one of my possible setups. It's another benefit of being on the live stream, because sometimes there are accidents. This is my possible setup for the VIP group. Hasn't been listed yet. I haven't posted to the VIP yet, but this is AERO. This is AERO Drone, the central trading and liquidity marketplace on base. I've been watching this one. I've been watching a lot of coins. Right now, all the coins pretty much look the same. It's just which one you're going to get into. Now, if the coin you get into does not move, don't jump out of that one to jump in the one that's gone up 20, 30%, just so it can come down. And then the coin you were in starts moving up. And then you jump out of the one that's going down, at a loss, and you jump in the one that you were in, and then because that one's now moving, by the time you get into it, it starts coming down. And then another coin starts moving. So then you get out of this one, and so this is what you took a 10% loss here, you took a 15% loss here, you took an 8% loss here, you took a 3% loss here, and all you're doing is you're losing every single time. Do not chase these coins. Don't chase them. Let the coins come to you. I have an alert. Look, with a question mark. Am I going to enter it? I don't know. We'll see. I have alerts for days. Not only that, but I'm always checking these charts. But if you can't always be checking the charts, spend maybe an hour on Saturday, maybe an hour on Sunday, and just set your alerts. On this show, I show you how to set alerts. Let me know if the music's too loud, guys. Let me know if the music's too loud. But I show you how to do all this stuff. That way the trades come to you. And here I put great long-term hold. Market cap right now is 536 million. That's it. This one potentially should move much faster than a 1.5 billion market cap. Potentially. All-time high was only 3 months ago. This is a DeFi. This is the central trading and liquidity marketplace on base. Base is big. This will also be big, in my opinion. It's done great, man. It's done so great. Of course, I had a little bit of this one. I did sell it. Looking to get back in, and this may be the spot. So just kind of give you a heads up on all that. This is possible a VIP chart. If you're not in the VIP, what the heck are you doing, guys? What the heck? Thank you, Ian. Thank you, Dave. If you're not in the VIP, what the heck are you doing? Get in the VIP. Stop messing around. Stop doing this before it's too late. And it's so funny too, because there are a lot of people that are going to be, jumping in when it's already moving. And now you're trying to learn as everything's going. Right now is the time to get rid of all that FOMO. Right now is all the time to get rid of all the doubt, the fear, the envy, the jealousy, all that stuff. Right now is the time. If you're not in the VIP, join it today. Stop messing around. Like, seriously, guys. Like, we will show you all this stuff. We'll show you all this stuff. And if you don't have money for it, don't worry. Ask me questions. I have people, like I mentioned before, all over the world, where they'll send me DMs and I'm answering them. They're not even a VIP member, and I'm helping them. Try to do that to any other mentor on here. They won't do it. It's taking their time. I want you to be successful, whether you're in my group or let's just say you have very, very little money. I want to give you all the benefits of having a mentor so you can make money, so you can change your life, change your family's life, your people around you, show them how to trade because of what you've learned. All right. Stay positive, Joe. Stay positive. Today's a positive day, man. Today is so great. Good Lord. Today is so great. And if you're not making money, don't worry, guys. Like, you'll learn how to read these charts. You'll learn how to read the market. You'll learn how to take advantage when you can take advantage of the market. All right, moving on. Well, let's go to Bitcoin. So we'll get to this in just a moment. This is the request that I got from one of my many buddies across the world, on the other side. So last night, I'm not sure if y'all watched the president-to-be his speech and everything. But last night, Bitcoin started moving. I think it was 12-1. I don't even know. I didn't even look at the time. But Bitcoin started moving. And it started moving really nice. Matter of fact, I actually put it in the VIP group. Yeah, I'm very active in the VIP group all times of the day. Whenever anything is happening, I'm usually posting in the VIP. So this was posted, let's see here, a lot of posts, a lot of updates. Okay. Oh, it wasn't that late at night. So let me show you. Good Lord. So this was last night. He was talking, and this was at 11:42, and I said, okay, Bitcoin's moving. Bitcoin is moving. And this, even though it looks big, I think this was like maybe a 1% or 2%. I don't even remember what it was. It's on the hour time frame, I believe. That Bitcoins are moving, and he was a talking. All right, so let's break this down, guys. Let's break this down. And yes, please don't forget to smash the likes. The likes do help tremendously. Smash the likes. That really does help. All right. So let's see here. For here, let's just kind of zoom out. Now, our thought process does not change. Well, okay. We have to adjust to what the market gives us. Let's see here. What am I trying to show you? Where am I? Maybe I just deleted him real quick. Anyway. Daily? No. Okay. Anyway. So our thought process doesn't change. For here, we are looking at a bigger time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. We did have, of course, you know, the lower highs. Then the trend changed. Started coming up here, then we had our double top, then it broke our neckline, then it came down, and then it went into this zone for a little bit, broke out of the zone and said, nope, just plain, came back into the zone. Hopefully I can see that a little bit better. Broke back into the zone. So this right here is a really nice support resistance zone. Came down here, made higher highs and higher lows, which was really good, broke out, did a bear trap, did a bear trap here, and then now started. This is our level. This is our level right here at 64 that it needed to break. And we had this on the last stream, I believe it was the last stream, where we need to break 64 and maintain above it in order to be health, you know, for it to show health. It broke above it, came down, psyched everybody out, baked everybody out, and then came up again, creating a higher high, showing strength. Coming down, creating a higher low. Here's our low, higher low, showing strength. So what I'm trying to illustrate here is how to identify the strength of the move. I'm showing you like what to look for, showing the momentum, showing the change in trend. This was a downtrend. It's coming down, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Now we're starting to go this way. And we had a really nice bounce right around 63.4. Had a really nice bounce here. Right now, Bitcoin's just moving. It's moving. I am in a trade right now. Ooh, nice. Okay. So I am at, one second. Okay. So I'm in a trade right now, and I'm actually in futures right now, and it's doing good. So here it broke our level 65. This is our next level. It's just level by level, guys. It really is. Yeah, crypto 420. Yeah, we can definitely do that. So it's just level by level. Here was our next level that it needed to break above, and right now it's breaking above. So right now, all these coins are going to do good because Bitcoin is the granddaddy. It tells us what to do. It says, you know, go ahead and buy long or don't go in trades. Is granddaddy racist? Is that a racist term? I don't think it is. Right now I just said, it's like, was that racist? It's a grandfather. Just thought about that right now. I don't know why. Let me know. All right, moving on. So what does Bitcoin need to do? Well, Bitcoin, it needs to kind of cool down a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't like seeing straight up, because usually when it goes straight up, it comes straight down. This is what I would like to see. I would like Bitcoin to cool down. Cool down. It's okay, Bitcoin. Cool down. Do this number, then come back up, and then start doing this number. This is what I would like to see. Most coins will retrace pretty significantly, maybe like 12%, with this slight little pullback. Now, for our coins to continue doing well, what needs to happen is, okay, let's do a pullback, but not so much. Pullback here, and then do this. And then we'll change this to yellow so you can see the difference. This would be good to where we don't have much of a pullback. This is what we need, you know, because these coins are already moving. So I'll give you a heads up. It's just a word, Joe. Stop being paranoid. It's for your father's father. Oh, okay. Now you got jokes. Okay, story time. Okay, story time. So, of course, you know, I'm a nurse and everything. I was taking care of my residents. This guy comes in, and this guy, he looks like he could be my dad. And it was kind of like a joke in the nursing home. That's what I worked at. It was a kind of a joke in the nursing home, because they would say, "Hey, Joe, your dad's here," because this dude looked like spitting image, man. Like, this dude, we looked like brothers, but he was like older, so like he would be my dad. Spitting image. We'll just put it that way. So he would come over, and the first time, like, he saw me and I saw him, and I was like, "What the heck?" And he goes, and so, you know, he starts asking about my family and everything like that. So we're not related, but he was like, "Yeah, you know, like you look like you could be my son." I said, "Speaking about that, you owe my mom a lot of money, child support, 18 years." And then so whenever he would come to the nursing home, he go, "Mijo," which means son, and I go, "Papa," and that was a whole big old thing. So I miss that. All right, but yeah, that's a fun times. Back to work. Oh yeah, back to work. Okay, but yeah, that was funny. Okay, moving on. You're like, "Joe, you have dumb stories." I got a lot of stories, and they're all dumb, and some of them I can't say, and some of them I can tell you I would not be able to run for any kind of political parties. No way. There's evidence out there. There it is. Okay, moving on. Let's see here. So this is what I think Bitcoin should do for it to be healthy and for it to be healthier. But right now, all these coins are doing well. All these coins are doing very well. All right. Let's see here. Now, first, I have to do this one. Let's go over here. First, I have to do this one. This is, yes, it was Pillow Talk. It was Pillow Talk. So this is OPUL, or Opulus. Market cap of 28.2 million, a very small market cap. Very small. Let's see here. This is 3 years ago, down 98%. Okay. The tags, we have a launchpad. Okay. Real world asset. My question is how? So we're going to look at that in just a moment. Music. Okay. So it probably has to do something with music. AI, DeFi, all the buzzwords. Okay. So now let's go to our all. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Why, guys? Why? Why don't I like it? Give you all a few moments to answer that question. Why don't I like it? Give you a few moments to answer that. And while y'all are answering that, let's go ahead and check out their website. So let's check out their website. I do want that answer though. Why do I not like it? Tokenized music assets. Get access to $28 billion worth of global music industry with a new layer of transparency through AI. What? Get access to 28 billion global music industry with a new layer of transparency. Transparency for who? Through AI. Transparency for the content creators, the music people, where their money's going, how the money's being. What? Okay. I have heard of this, and I actually got into this last bull run. Made a little bit of money on it. I didn't know what it was. I just got into it. Our mission. The traditional financing structures within the music industries are outdated. Yes. And the music industry really, really rips off the talent by a lot. And centralized. Yeah. Okay. I see music financing, what? Strengthening the artist fan. Okay, this is there's a lot of these. Populous AI, the first AI-driven tool for music data, a game-changing tool for artists, labels, and OPUL holders. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. To predict future because AI. To predict future royalties on platforms like Spotify and Apple. A game-changing tool for artists, labels, and OPUL holders to predict future royalties. Just grasping here, just grasping. How can we make this token? How can we make this token to where people will buy it? Well, just say it predicts the future of royalties. Got it. Populous finance. Stable rewards via liquid staking. Music catalogs are one of the fastest growing real world assets. Music catalogs are one of the fastest growing real world assets. And now they are tokenized and available to you through to the blockchain. Get access to music catalogs, including artists such as Prince, Beyonce. Earn 10% staking. Music. I'm trying to build a bullish sentiment for this. This is what I'm trying to do. All this is rubbish or rubbish. I'm trying new big words. It's rubbish. Music catalogs are one of the so what I'm showing you guys is how to do this research. How does this can you make money on this? Yes, definitely. Now, can you make more money with a project that has a real product or a real event changing token? Yes. Way more money. Let me read this again. Music catalogs are one of the fastest growing real world assets. I don't know. I'll take the word for it. Okay. And now they are tokenized. Music catalogs. Can you just look it on Google, Firefox, or any other? That doesn't make any sense to me. Get access to music catalogs, including artists such as. Okay. Music fungible tokens. MFTs. So that I heard that MFTs before. I was like, what is that? So it's music fungible tokens are a brand new way to experience the music that you love, support your favorite artists, and share rewards from stores like Spotify and Apple. So MFTs are really nothing new. They just put a name to it. You know, if you buy something on iTunes or Google Play Store and you buy their album, well, you have their album. But now they're calling it a MFT, a music fungible token. It's the same thing. We've already been doing this. Collect OPUL's tickets. Stake your OPUL tokens or complete simple tasks to get tickets. They are essential to get access to OPUL's products. Okay, well, that's a good use case. That's good. Okay, they had a recent airdrop of the MFTs. And just for giggles, we're gonna go to their Twitter. Just for giggles. So now, granted, they've been around for 3 years. They have 92,000 followers. Not bad. That's not bad considering what it is. That's really not bad. Home of real world assets for music. Still trying to put my... I'm trying to think of... I don't like it. I mean, y'all saw that right away. I don't like it. Okay. $135. It was viewed, and they could be paying for, you know, for it to get out there. 600 likes. 150. Okay. So OPUL, I don't like it. Let's go over here. Let's go YouTube. And now what we're going to do is we're going to look at the chart. I can tell you right now, I would not be entering it. And I can also tell you right now that due to the such low market cap, you would literally have to put very little money whenever you do enter this. So OPUL, USDT. So right now it's not ready yet. You want it to break this level. You would set your alerts. So the level you needed to break is roughly around 0.10964. Of course, use the magnet tool to see what it actually is. I would set an alert above this wick. So I would set an alert right here. And this is 0.11581. I would need a 4-hour candle to close above this. Now the actual price action does not look bad. There's not a lot of wicks. It doesn't look bad. There's really nice ups and downs. The candle bodies look okay. Like this, even though there's some wicks here, I mean, that's fine. Especially with the size of the market cap. So the actual price action looks way better than I thought it was gonna look. By like 1,000,000%. So that's good. Is this something that could make you some money? Yes, all the coins can. Will there be more? Will there be other coins that could make you significantly more money? Yes, definitely. Now, I'm trying to think of anything bullish I can say. Price action looks okay. When you do buy, you would have to buy little portions. But I don't like the project. Okay, moving on. So back to the question that I had as far as why I don't like it. Why I don't like it. And a Jono says, had no pump in 2021. Well, here's 2021. So this is when it first came out. So when it first came out, but I know what you're thinking though. When it first came out, Of course, it has a pump because it's all hype and everything else like that. And this is when I bought it too. But let's see if anybody else had it. Let's see here. Hasn't done anything for a long time. Good. And no pump. Okay, went over that one. Okay, so the answer is in 2024, we've already had 2 pumps. We've had 2 pumps in 2024. This one, especially with its low market cap, can pump very, very easy. This is a dead token. This is could it surprise everybody and make people crazy amounts of money? Yes, every coin can. This is dead. Where is the hype? The market cap is extremely minuscule to where if I were to buy, say, $1,000 worth of this token, I'd probably pump up the coin 30%. Nobody's buying it. Literally nobody's buying it. Look, we had 2 pumps in 2024, and this one had a barely little hiccup, and then not even a bigger hiccup than the first one. This one's dead. Move on. Now you may say, oh, but the market cap. Yeah. If you're interested in this one and you really like it, you've done your FA on it, your tokenomics and everything else. If you really like it, maybe, again, not financial advice, never on this channel or right now or anything, but maybe $50 this paycheck, maybe $50 next paycheck. You don't want to put $500 or $1,000 all at once. I guarantee that. Maybe even 20, depending on the order books. $20, $50, you know, every other day or once a week or whatever you want to do. This one won't move it for a while. I mean, you got time, in my opinion. I don't know. All right. But that's the answer. When you always want to go to all, and you want to see, was there a pump? You know, and not only that, but so here's 2021, and then 2022, everything came down. 2023, kind of, you might have a bump or two, but 2024, most recently, there's been 2 nice pumps. Okay, moving on. Let me go ahead and get rid of all this. Get out of here. We don't need you. Get out of here. Where is my... Did I delete the wrong one? I don't know. Did I delete the wrong? Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. Very good. Let's see here. So let's do Turbo next. I'm going to do Turbo next. Turbo. That's what, right? Turbo. USDT. MEXC. Okay, Turbo has been going insane. Been going nuts. Been going nuts. Absolute nuts. Nut City population. Turbo. So here we had our level. And all this stuff, guys, rinse and repeat. Like I'm literally showing you how to trade. I'm showing you how to make money. You do this stuff on any coin. Like I could be showing you tips and tricks on this coin, and you may be looking at a different coin. You apply what I'm showing you to your coin. How to do your levels, how to do your alerts, how to be waiting for the coin to come to you, enter your trade when it's ready, etc., etc. Okay, moving on. So here we go. We have this, and this. This is the bad part about what I do. Because what I do is I show you all my thought process. I show you everything. And once you get it, and you don't need me anymore. Hopefully you always be, if you're in the VIPs, hopefully you always be with me. But, because of course I give charts out and thought process, so everything else. But for the people who are watching just on YouTube and, you know, just doing it for free, which is absolutely fine, you know, you stop watching me because now you got it. Now you're making money. Now I showed you everything. It's like, that's the bad part about what I do. And I've experienced it from my other channel on last bull run. Oh no, Joe, we're going to stick with you. No, you don't. And I get it, because now I showed you how to trade and you made money, and now you don't need me. So I get it. But here, like what I do is I show you how to do everything. The other mentors, they don't. they're smart. They're smarter than me. They give you little bits and pieces, and then they make you pay for their membership, so that you're paying for them every single. But they don't, even though they show you, they don't show you all their tips and tricks, and that's how they keep you. So, but I show you everything. All right, here we go. This one, 4-hour time frame. Boom, bingo and a bango, just exploded. Would I enter right now? Sure, why not? But Joe, it moved up a whole bunch. Yeah, I did. How much did it go up? 15%. Candle says, whoa, shoot, 30%. Can it continue going up? Yeah. Do you have a greater chance that it can come down? Yes, by a lot. So why would you enter? Well, just in case it keeps on going up. Just in case it keeps on doing this. So what I would do personally is I would enter a little bit right now, a third, maybe a half, knowing that you have a very high possibility that it's going to come down. Then once it bounces 2, 3, 4-hour candle closes above this level of 47976 without the zeros, then of course it's just going to be just pretty close to it. Oh, I hate when I say that, and then because now I feel like, man, I got to get that. Okay, here we go. Okay. Has to cross this level. I'm sorry, has to not cross this level. 3, maybe 4-hour candles need to close above this. This is showing strength. Then you could add to your entry. So if you did a third here, you would do a third here. If you did half here, then you do half here. Then more than likely this, because it's creating a pivot, now you add to your entry once it breaks this pivot. If you can do, so you can do a lot of different ways. Half here, a third here, third here, third here, half here, wait for it to bounce, half here. So this is what you could do, but just know that you have in my opinion, you have about a 90% possibility that it's going to come down. 90%, that's pretty high. But if you don't want to miss the move, let's say it goes from here to here to here and it just explodes due to the market cap size. At least you got it in a little bit. And then you could possibly sell right here, or you could just wait to see what happens. Is it going to come down? Is it going to come up, then come down, then break this level, and then you can enter here? So there's always an opportunity for you to enter a trade. Always. Don't ever feel like you missed a trade. You know, because you may have missed that trade or that moment, but there's always going to be another moment. Okay. Moving on. All right, so for Brett, sure, I'd enter right now. Why not? Let's see here. As far as targets go, okay, that's not bad. Pull back about 10%. So for me, in my opinion, the pullbacks that we're going to get is going to be around 12%, you know, give or take. So here would be our first target. And this is our target. Let's go ahead and do this so everybody can see it. Copy. Paste. Ah, dang it. It was the same thing. Gosh darn it. So that would be that. Then you would have your second entry here. And then you would have your stop loss down here. Now you're going to say, Joe, wait a minute. That is just wait. Oh, no, it's not. It's not bad. Keep on going down. You see that? Keep on going down. So you know what? No, here. Because underneath this right here. So I'd have my stop loss right here. Joe, that's horrible. Why would you do that? You don't even know how to trade or anything. You don't know how to trade. Where's my stop loss? So just face it. I'm a poopy trader, guys. Joe, you are a poopy trader. You're saying enter here to only get 17%, but you're willing to risk 24%? Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down, man. No fights. Calm down. You're not entering 100%. You're entering either a third or a half. So this can either be split to a third or a half of what you would have normally entered. It's kind of like a fat guy being on a diet. It's okay to eat a donut. You know, it's okay to eat 2 donuts as long as you don't eat the whole dozen. It's okay. You know, because it's a small portion. It's just like, I'm trying to think of another analogy, but that's the only one that I can think of right now. So by doing this, it's okay because it's a small portion of what you would have had. 100%, 50%, 33%. So just kind of give you a heads up. Now, with that being said, this is not your only target. You're going to have other targets. Of course, I do the other targets in the VIP. I hate doing it. People tell me to do that all the time. I hate doing that. They do. I have people that are helping me with, you know, the channel and everything else. Like, Joe, you can't be giving everything on the YouTube. Like, you have to, like, kind of entice them to go to the VIP. I don't like doing that, though. I just want to make y'all money. Like I said, I want to get rich with you guys, not because of you. I mean, that's my motto. I want to get rich with you, not because of you. And here's our other alert, or here's our thing. But see what I'm doing is I show you this stuff, guys. I show you how to do this. I show you how to do this. That way you can take all these trades. And even if I were to only give you one target, because you've watched the show and you know what I do and how I do it, you would know, oh, here's my second target, here's my third target. I'm going to add here. I'm going to wait for a pullback to add. I'm going to add to my entry once it breaks the previous high. I'm going to have my stop loss underneath support. I'm going to move up my stop loss once my first target hits. Now I'm in profit. I'm going to keep on moving up my stop loss underneath support. Boom, boom, boom. Bingo, bango, guys. Bingo, bango. Yeah. So that's my thing. I want to show you how to do all this. And I think I am. So there's your setup. Let's do another one. Oh, this is our last one, guys. This is our last one. Man, this time goes by so quick. It's not even funny. We got Crypto Brett saying, Brett, again, please, when you have a chance. Oh, these are easy. These are easy because if I've already done them, everything's the same. Where is Brett's? Is it not on MEXC? What am I doing? Source MEXC. Oh no, I think I used KuCoin last time. CoinX. Okay. Okay, so we had 2 different scenarios. You can come up, come down. If it did come up and then it broke it, then that's when we would enter. But this one just went straight up. Okay, so let's go over here and let's take this off. Bingo in a bit. Oh, did you escape? Okay, so now same thing. What you do? Let's get rid of this. Get out of here. So right now it's right under resistance. Do you enter under resistance? No. No. Don't enter on resistance. This is like getting back with an X. They're an X for a reason. This is like getting back with a crazy X. Oh, but don't call them crazy. This is like getting back with a crazy X. You don't want to do it. Don't enter under resistance. You want to enter once it breaks resistance and find support. So what you want to do is set an alert above these wicks right here. What is the price range above this? Oh, 5%. We can do that. Set your alert right here. Then your price goes like here and it gets rejected. Expect it. Comes down, comes up, finds your alert. Your alert goes off. You look at the trade and you're like, whoa, I got a few 4-hour candle closes that closed above our level of 1422, and you enter your trade. Let's do 20% for your target. Man, I can't think right now. Oh, I know. Again, I got a little bit of sleep. It's like, why can't I find these? Stop loss. Stop loss. And target. Bingo bango. Bingo and a bango. Brett, I do like, again, just because they ran up, that does not mean for you to enter. Especially if they're under resistance. You want to wait. You really do. You want to wait. So there's that setup. See, Dylan says, hey Joe, what do you think about the coin stepping? Don't like it. And it's walk to earn topic. Don't like it. It's a fad. I don't like it. My buddy, who is very fit, he got the token. He loved it. Man, he was making tokens. You know, he would go walking around. I think even jogging around and everything. Very athletic and everything. And doing all this stuff. Got the NFTs and built up whatever he did. And he just did it. And then, of course, like it all went away. Like, I don't know if the NFTs, he was able to sell them. Hopefully he made some money. Now, he did get some of those tokens and do other things with them. So that was good. I need the ticker. Is it ticker SOLAMA? I think we did that one already, and I asked that same question. But so can you make money? Yes, you can make money on any coin, more than likely. But I don't like the because what it does, so if you have a token that says breathe and you earn, well, that applies to everybody that's alive. But if you say exercise and you earn, well, that narrows it down to people who only exercise. If you have a play to earn, well, you have a bigger demographic that it applies to. It doesn't apply to everybody. It doesn't apply to me. I don't play games. You know, it applies to a bunch of the maybe younger people, or maybe people who have games that they like to play. If you had a token that was, old movie trivia, I'm not interested in it. A lot of people, only people who are interested in it, you're gonna gain money from. So in my opinion, when you have tokens that are very, very specific, I don't like them, because now, can I make money off of the token? Yeah, sure. But can I be, exercise it? I mean, it's great. It's a great concept, but you have a very narrow demographic. Now, granted, you don't need to exercise to earn the tokens. You can just buy the tokens on the exchange. Then, of course, you can sell them, make money that way. So that is good as far as that goes. But as far as the people who are trying to earn these tokens and everything else, you're a very small demographic. Hopefully all that makes sense. Okay. See, Crypto Candy says, never the person who helped lift you up from where you are. Yeah, let's never forget. Yeah. Very true. And we got a bingo and a bango. A bingo and a bango. A bingo bango, let's go. A bingo and a bango. So GFAL, or GFAL, thanks for always dropping the knowledge show. Yeah, no problem, man. So that is that one. So let's do some GFAL. I don't remember the last time we did GFAL. Joe, you did it yesterday. Oh. So we're gonna look at GFAL, and while that's loading up, we're gonna go also to coin market cap, so I can see what the GFAL, see what the market cap is. 34 million. Okay. So let's go over here and let's go GFAL, USDT, MEXC. I like it. And some wicks, I mean, but with the market cap of only 34 million, I mean, it's expected. So I'm not gonna harp on that. But they're not crazy though. They're not crazy up and then crazy. So, so everything's different. Like There's a lot of different things that I look at. It's not crazy. It's not a crazy dump and a crazy pump and then sideways and a crazy dump. So the price action looks good. The market cap is 34 million. It looks like it's at its bottom. And of course, gaming will come back. And matter of fact, let's look at this. Let's come over here. Let's go to all. This was in 2023. And you can see it's doing nice. It's doing really nice. Okay. Oh, let's get back to this. So right now it's at the bottom. What enter right now? No. Why? Well, it depends. Are you doing this as a trade or are you doing this as an investment? Two different things. But you could do an investment safer than just buying it. So there's all these questions. All right. Moving on. Moving on. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see here. This lower low. So what we would do if you're going to enter this trade is set an alert right here. What's the price range difference? From, I guess from here to here, I guess. It's 10%. Okay. So yeah, so I would set an alert right here. Alert. And what we're doing is we want it to cross this level. So, and on the 4-hour time frame. So it has to break this level of 0.015293. I hate staying the numbers because then I got, ooh, bingo bango. Then I got to do that. Okay. So it's got to break this, remain above it, 4-hour time frame, set your alert right here. You enter the trade if the 4-hour candle closes above this number, and you're good. Just know that the price may come down, and if it comes down, it'll come down into this zone. So you could actually have a lower bid or whenever I say bid, it's an entry that has not hit. That's all that is. And let's go ahead and put this too. That way there's no confusion. So more than likely what might happen, it does this. Try that again. It does this. Our alert goes off. We see that there are candle close above the level we just mentioned on the 4-hour time frame. Very important, 4-hour. Then it does this, and then it loses, but it starts going back in here. And then it breaks out again. And maybe that time you maybe got some more money. And then now you can add to your trade. I like it. Very nice. Can this one make a lot of money? Yes, definitely. This one, it could do very, very nicely due to the fact that it's gaming, due to the fact of the low market cap, due to the fact of it possibly already finding its bottom. Nobody knows, but it might have found its bottom. So let's just say if you were to enter in right now, the first target for a mid to long-term hold would be right around 97% at 0.28. Then you could have your next mid to long-term hold of roughly 188% right at 0.41592. And then another mid to long-term hold would roughly be around 233% right at 0.047710. And this is mid to long-term hold. This is like good 4 to 5 months, maybe. And then if you wanted to do like longer, then of course you can easily do possibly because of this, and without looking at, and we're not going to look at the other stuff, but without looking at the tokenomics as far as if there's any vesting token unlocks, which I doubt. Seeing how many coins are actually out and about, see what they're doing, everything else. This could do an easy 5x. Could, especially with the market cap. Maybe even 10x. Like a 5x is very doable, but you have to hold the coin. You can't buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Now, what you could do is, if it comes up here, you could take a little portion off the top, and then when it dips, you can add to it. And then as it comes up, you can take a little portion off the top, and then as it dips, you can add to it. But you don't want to take out a lot of coins, because let's say you had 100. Let's do the math. Let's do the math. So let's get rid of this. So let's do the math. Let's say you had 100 tokens. Okay. And let me get rid of this. We're going to do something real quick. So we have 100 tokens. Can you see it? Yes. We have 100 tokens. And we bought these 100 tokens right here. Okay. Now we go and we sell, let's say we sell 30 tokens. So we have 30 tokens, right? And we sell it. And so now we only have 70 tokens. 70 tokens. And when it comes down here, let's say we don't buy anymore. Let's just do this because then it'll be too long. Then we buy, let's say we buy right here. Then we sell 50 tokens. Now we have 20 left. And then we sell 10 right here. So now we only have 10 left. And we sell 5 right here. So we sell 5. Okay. And then it comes down and you're like, oh crap. And then you hold the 5 until the next bull run. No problem, whatever. So on your first one, you made 323%. On this one, you made 95%. On this one, you made 27%. So on your 100, so when you sold here, when you sold your 30, you had 323%. Then when you sold your 50, you had 95%. Then when you sold your 10, am I doing that right? Well, the difference was only this much. I just confused myself. Hopefully y'all know what I mean. So the point of the story, I think I'm doing the numbers wrong. Numbers kind of confuse me if I don't like think about it, and plus I need sleep. Joe, you're getting excuses. The moral of the story is if you have a lot of coins here, and as you're selling on the way up, you're reducing your amount of profit, even though your number, even though your number is going up. Like say here you did a 1x. Let me get rid of this junk. Say here you did a 15x, to here. Here you did a 10x. Here you did a 7x. Now, depending on how much you sold here, depends on how much you made. So the more that you have to sell at the 50, so what I'm trying to say is when you do sell, you're like, Joe, get some sleep. What I'm trying to say is when you do sell, don't sell all your bag. Don't sell, 75% when, like here, don't sell 75%. This is not financial advice. And then you buy a little bit, because now this little bit that you bought, from the difference between this to this, the difference between this to this is only 97%. However, from here, oh my gosh, to here is 230. This is what I'm trying to show you. Hopefully all that made sense. I have videos on this that are much clearer than what I just said. Okay. Next one. All right, no more, guys. No more. This is the last one. Solama. Solama MEXC. Okay, we did this one the other day. At least I thought we did. Okay, this one looks like it's at its bottom. Magnet tool, come over here. This actually looks really, really good. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, we got Dynamite in the house. A Dynamite. What's up, Dynamite? Okay. So looking at this one, shoot, man. Normally I say wait to this, but that's probably like a big jump. 30%. Yeah, it's too much. Let's go 4-hour time frame. So once again, guys, we do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right now we are overtime. We're at 4:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we will be ending the show very soon. as soon as we're done with this one, actually. So for this, we do have a pivot here, and I do like this pivot. Let's see. Hey Joe, can MEXC be used with the VPN? No. You need to do KYC. And of course, if you're in our group, you would know that the ID is very easy to get. But I can't talk about it too much here, even though some YouTubers talk about it. It's just, I just got my channel to where it's going. So I don't want to take it away. But no, you can't, the VPN won't do nothing because you need to do KYC. So for this one, 4-hour time frame, this kind of worries me. Now, if this is a long-term hold, I don't mind it. Because if it's a trade, more than likely it's going to come down here. What's the price range on this? From here to here, it's going to come down roughly around 14% easily if it doesn't maintain this area. Could it be maintaining this area? Possibly. I don't know what the coin is. I don't like all these. I don't like how the price action looks. All the wicks, low bodies, and then nice bodies. Don't like it. See, why do people, okay, and this is a funny story. I don't care that they know about me. It's that the exchange can only do people that are not in the US. You can know about me all you want. Amazon knows about me. Amazon knows my address. Amazon knows my phone number. Amazon knows my card number. It's not the fact that we don't want them to know about us. It's that they cannot serve us. So the exchange cannot serve the US. And you need to do KYC, know your customer, in order for the exchange to allow us to play on their playground. But yeah, that question gets asked a lot. Like, are you afraid? Like, you got to pay your taxes. Is that what you're afraid of? No, man. The exchange doesn't let me play. It's you got to be this tall to ride the ride. You know, this tall. So I'll give you a heads up. Great question or statement. See here. Oh, right. Rules are different in the US. Yes. Yeah, there's a lot of places that won't allow us to play. Like a lot. And they're just getting more and more. You know, Binance, we couldn't do it. Of course, they have Binance US. KuCoin, we can't do it. We used to, but we can't do it. MEXC, we can't do it now. And there's a lot of others. There's a lot of others. But if you have that ID, golden. It's like a free pass. Here's my pass. Thank you very much. Give you a heads up. All right. Moving on. All right. So for here, I mean, it looks good, but I don't like this. I don't like it. I'm telling you right now, I don't like it. Joe, you keep on saying that. I don't like it. I would not trade this coin. You can if you want. Set your alert right here. Here's your alert. In my opinion, it's horrible. I would not share this with my enemy. I don't like it. I don't know why. Well, I do know why, because of price action. Could it make you money? Yes, definitely. Could it be the best next thing? Possibly. I've been wrong before. Been married a few times. Here's our trading zone or accumulation zone. You know what? I would do a stop loss. I would have to do a stop loss, man. I would do a tight stop loss. I don't even care. I'll do a tight stop loss, get stopped out, set my alert again, and then try to enter. I don't even care. Just stop me out. Stop me out. 11. Yeah, but for me personally, I don't like it. Joe, you keep on saying that. Well, I don't like it. But if it does break down, more than likely this will be a nice place to go. All right, moving on. Sam says, first, I'm hearing of the ID thing. Sam, are you in the group? I think you are. Pretty sure you are. Are you in the group? I was going to search for you right now. Sam, are you in the group? I don't remember. Sam, there's enough time for the response with a delay. Are you in the group? Yeah, everybody's talking about it, Sam. I don't think I'm in the group. Sam, it's a paid group. You would know if you're in the group or not. So I'm going to say no. Sam, you need to get in the group. Stop messing around. Whenever I say that, stop messing around, I'm talking to you. And everybody else who's not in the group. It's a paid group. It's a VIP group, etc., etc. We've been covering this like big time. Prior to that, like we started talking about it more so 3 months prior to MEXC closing down the people in the US. There's an ID, etc., blah, blah, blah. Yeah. But yeah, that ID, man, it helps you out. You can get on Binance, all the other exchanges, KuCoin, MEXC, everyone. All right. Yeah. You won't be disappointed. It's a great place to be. And there's a lot of thought process in there too. Like lots. All right. So that's it for me, guys. I do thank you. My name is Joe. This is TradeIntuition. We do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do it for 1 hour. You have 1 hour of free mentorship. Ask me questions. I love questions. Ask me about coins. Ask me, to do a chart for you. I give you where to put your alert, where to do your targets, where to do your stop loss, what I think about the project. And if I don't know about the project, sometimes I do a deep dive, and I'm here for everybody. People on this side of the world, people on the other side of the world. I don't care. My main goal is to make you money. And I've said this from day one when I had my first channel. My goal, and I really didn't want to do a paid group. I really didn't. I've always been against paid groups. But somebody who I look up to said, Joe, what they're doing is they're paying for all the times that all the hundreds of thousands of hours of either trades or studying, or all the times you fell down and had to get back up, so that they don't have to experience that. You're cutting their time by a lot. That's what they're paying for. I was like, oh, okay. Well, I have learned a lot, and I do stuff way differently than just regurgitating it from a website that I read. I said, okay, I'll do that. But my main goal, hear me out, guys. My main goal is not to get rich because of you. My main goal is to get rich with you. And that's why I show you everything here on YouTube. And then it's kind of like a private clubhouse. Then in the VIP, of course, we give you more information. We give you more thought process. We give you a lot of videos. And these aren't like 18 minutes worth of nothing videos. These are 3 to 4 minute videos that are very important. On top of that, I do video kind of like updates. Like today I did another video update. Yesterday I did another video update based off of Bitcoin, the coins that we're in, just to kind of let you know how things are going. Then of course we update our charts. We do so much in there, it's ridiculous. I could talk for like 20 minutes on that. But anyway, if you're not in the group, stop messing around. It's a great place to be. With that being said, we're gonna run a commercial, and then after the commercial, it'll be me saying bye. Here we go. Commercial time. 3, 2, 1. And if you could, do not leave. Please watch the commercial, especially those who are not in the group. 3, 2, 1. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're gonna make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe. Whoa.
Why you need the spotlight, wasting my time like a little girl, pushing 50, still ain't crypto rich, probably living in the basement. Just face it, you a shade trader. Just face it, you a shade trader. Just face it, you a shade trader. Just face it. Obsessed with others' lives. Why you need the spotlight, wasting my time. I shouldn't give you advice, still trying to figure it out. I got a life, no time for this fight. Seems like you're out of loop, maybe quit YouTube.
Quit YouTube.
Talking, spilling all your secrets, sounding like a little girl, pushing 50, still ain't crypto rich, probably living in some basement. Just face it, you a shade trader. Just face it, you a shade trader. Just face it, you a shade trader. Just face it.
I love that song so much. That is my song. Let's see here. So thank you guys so much. Once again, we do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In reference to Secret FT says, what coin is this? I do have the watermark in the background. Not only that, but on the upper left-hand corner, it's on the screen as well. So definitely make sure to be aware of that. And that was SOLAMA. SOLAMA. But I do thank you guys so very much. Plus, also, you can rewind the video. I say the name, and then, of course, I have it on the screen. But just want to say thank you guys so much for everybody for being here. We do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I really, really love helping people. And like I said before, my main goal is to get rich with you. It really is. And we're going to do it too, guys. Stick with me. I will show you how to trade. I will show you how to do all this stuff that I do in the most simplistic way. Like, it does not have to be difficult. It really doesn't. But everybody makes it difficult because they want you to rely on them. I show you everything and how simple it is. All right, so I got Maestro, play some music. Let's go.